Spring is coming. Would you like to have a garden that grows vegetables with the optimal spacing to maximize yield and minimize pests? Watch this video and I'll show you how. And be sure to like and subscribe to never miss a video. Square foot gardening is a style of gardening when a gardener divides a space into square foot sections and plants intensively, allowing even small gardens to be successful. Because crops are grown so close together, very little weeds can survive, and those that are easily identifiable, and pests are also minimized. Gardeners will divide their plots using string, wood, or tape to create square foot sections. But this has always seemed a little bit tedious to me, and that is why I wanted to try the seeding square. The seeding square is not technically fully compatible with the square foot gardening process because the square does not perfectly fit within the grid if you had a solid grid like wood or something. But I would argue that this is a mere formality and it removes the pesky task of having to put string tape or a wood frame in anyway. The square itself is a square foot and you use it to stamp the ground, creating a grid of squares that you can plant in. You can stamp your entire bed quickly and simply using the square. The square is made of a durable plastic and comes with a wand that attaches with a handy magnet. The wand has depth markings on it, so planting your seeds at the proper depth is a snap, and the cup at the end holds seeds to make sowing easy. And on the back is a funnel that is conveniently held into place nice and tight as well so that you don't lose that either. The square comes with a card with instructions on the front, and on the back is a great planting guide. You simply find the crop you are intending to plant, take note of the color and number of plantings per square. In this case, I think I'll plant some lettuce, which is blue, and 4 plants per square. And here is a look at the different spacing configurations. The planting instructions are as follows: press, poke, plant. I'll show you how. I'll place the square here, press it in firmly, and then I poke in the 4 blue holes because we're doing lettuce. I then take the funnel and attach it into the hole. I place some seeds in, and then I'll just carry on with the rest of the poke holes. And look at all those seeds in the proper holes. I may have slightly overseeded. My garden looks like this right now, but spring is coming and I am really excited to try the seeding square out. I think it is a fabulous product. Visit theseedingsquare.com for more information and some great resources. You can also click on the Amazon affiliate link below to purchase the seeding square, which also supports this page. And you can also go to Lee Valley Tools. Happy gardening!